All right, we have Dr. Tamara Taber from Stillpoint Medicine joining us, and it's great to have you back on the show.
Thank you.
I had the chance to visit your office and see what you do firsthand, but for people who haven't been able to check it out for themselves, talk a little bit about who you are and what you do.
Well, I guess the best way to put it is I've been in the healthcare system, and through all my training, I've been all the way from the East Coast to here, and I said, I really need to have an office that I would want to be a patient at. So I've fashioned my practice to be like a doctor of the 1950s who's there for their patients 24/7. You can text me, you can email me, you can call me. And if you're a patient of mine, I will drop everything to help you with what you need.
And that's what makes your practice unique, but there's other things about it as well that really set you aside from other offices. And talk about some of those things.
The main thing that sets me aside is I spend a lot of time with my patients. It is really up to my patient on how much time they need, and we negotiate on how much time you need, and okay, great, let's talk about what you need and that's how I do it. I kind of put it together what's best for each individual patient.
And one of the things that's also a little bit different, you don't take insurance. Explain why not.
Well, I don't like being controlled by the insurance company of what I can prescribe and what I can't. So what I talk to my patients about is what they need, what they are looking to get out of having a doctor on their side. And so every patient's different. One patient will say, I would like you to write these prescriptions. Other patients say, I don't want prescriptions. Can you come up with alternatives? And I've been doing alternative type therapies for 30 years. And so I do so many different things. I'm kind of like the quarterback for your healthcare. And that's exactly what I try to do for my patients. And I can't do it in the system with insurance because they have their own set rules, and I just don't abide by rules too often. So.
All right, well, we were looking at some of the video from your office, and there's so many different elements to your office. So let people know all the different things that you do, because you do encompass a lot of different things.
I do. I am a board certified family practitioner, so I say I work from birth to grave, and so it doesn't make a difference what age you are. I was trained in all of it. Some things I do very, very well, and other things I just do adequately, and I will let you know that. You're my patient, I'll say, look, I haven't done that procedure very often. I did learn it a year ago, but then other things I say I do that daily. I know what I'm doing with that. I do osteopathic adjustments. So some people say, is it like a chiropractor? I go, well, I have chiropractor friends, and sometimes I send my patients to a chiropractor because that's what they need. But I do adjustments. They're osteopathic adjustments. I have laser therapies and treatments, and I was trained to be a laser surgeon, and that's what I do with this great Fotona Laser that I use. And I do nutrition therapy, weight loss, diet. It's something I've been doing since I was a personal trainer at a gym. So it's just something I've incorporated all my experiences through life and medical school to help my patients be healthy.
All right, any events coming up that we should know about?
23rd of this month, I've got a laser gala. It is open to anyone. You need to RSVP because I don't want more than 40 or 50 people at this gala. My office isn't that big. But we have an expert, Fotona Laser expert, flying in from Houston to present all the different 50 procedures that we do. And I'm kind of leaving it open. He doesn't have a checklist. We're trying to be there for who's attending. If you're interested in a facelift, if you're interested in laser hair removal, we'll talk about those things.
All right, it's a good chance to come check out the office too. Let's put the information up on the screen for you so you can check out Stillpoint Medicine. There it is, 6545 Sunrise Boulevard, Suite 300 in Citrus Heights. Stillpointmed.com, that's where you can find a lot of information about what Dr. Taber does, and also on social media, Facebook and Twitter at Stillpoint Med. Thanks so much.
Thank you.